Hello and welcome all on my YouTube channel JNS Basic Zoology. I am Jay Kumar, and by this video I will focus on some multiple choice questions based on phylum Reptilia. So let's start by first multiple choice question MCQs. The study of reptiles is known as A. Herpetology, B. Ichthyology, C. Ornithology, and D. Osteology. So, which is the branch of biology which deals with the study of reptiles? So, the correct option is herpetology. Herpetology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of reptiles. Ichthyology is related with the study of fish. Ornithology is related with the study of birds, and osteology, in this branch of biology, the study of skeleton takes place. Second MCQ, turtles have A. homodont teeth, B. heterodont teeth, C. horny beak, and D. pleurodont teeth. So in case of turtles, they have the horny beak. Third one, interclavicle in reptiles is, so the shape of the interclavicle in case of reptiles is A. H shaped, B. W shaped, C. A shaped, and D. T shaped. So the interclavicle is the bone between two clavicles which is called as collarbones. In between the two clavicles or collarbones there is having a interclavicle type of bone, and that interclavicle type of bone having particular type of shape. So in case of reptiles, this interclavicle is T-shaped. Next one, embryonic membranes present in reptiles. A. amnion and chorion, B. chorion and yolk sac, C. yolk sac and allantois, and D. amnion, chorion, yolk sac and allantois. So, what is the embryonic membranes? Embryonic membranes means the membranes which are formed around the embryo at the time of their development, and that is called as extraembryonic membranes, or simply called as embryonic membranes. So in case of reptiles, all the four embryonic membranes are present, that is amnion, chorion, yolk sac and allantois. All these four embryonic membranes are formed in the reptiles. So the correct option is D, amnion, chorion, yolk sac and allantois. Next one, turtles include in the order. In the classification, turtles belong in which order? A. Chelonia, B. Rhynchocephalia, C. Squamata, and D. Crocodilata. So these turtles is included or belonging to the order Chelonia. Next one, vestigial hind limbs and pelvic girdles are present in, means vestigial hind limbs, not fully developed hind limbs and pelvic girdles are present in which animal? A. cobra, B. crate, C. boa, and D. turtles. So this type of vestigial hind limbs and pelvic girdles are present in the animal boa. This boa is one of the non-venomous, non-poisonous snakes. Next one, heart in crocodile is A. completely four-chambered, B. incompletely four-chambered, C. three-chambered, and D. two-chambered. So the heart in case of crocodile is having four chambers, having completely four-chambered heart in case of crocodiles. But in case of other reptiles, the heart is three-chambered. But in case of crocodile, there is a four-chambered heart. Next one, teeth in calios are. In case of calios, teeth is in the form of A. heterodont and monodont, B. homodont and pleurodont, C. heterodont and acrodont, D. heterodont and thecodont. So in case of calios, the teeth which are fused to the inner edge of the jaw, and these teeth are homodont and pleurodont type of teeth. Homodont means having similar type of teeth, and pleurodont condition means these are fused type of teeth which are found to the inner edge of the jaw. Next one, the precavals are formed by the union of. So the precaval vein is formed by the combination or union of which two types of veins? A. pulmonary veins, B. azygous vein and jugular vein, C. internal and external jugular and subclavian vein, and D. caudal vein and subclavian vein. The precaval, which is a blood vessel or vein which is having a pair of vein which collects blood from the head region. So this precaval vein is made by the union of internal and external jugular veins and subclavian veins. Internal and external jugular veins collects blood from respective side of head region, and subclavian collects blood from the forelimbs. By the union of internal and external jugular vein and subclavian vein, the precaval vein is formed. And 10th multiple choice question, in calios, tunica media of heart is made of A. ligaments, B. skeletal muscles, C. visceral muscles, and D. cardiac muscles. In case of calios, tunica media layer of the heart is made by which type of muscles? And the correct option for this MCQ, that is the cardiac muscles. The heart is made by special type of muscles which is called as cardiac muscles. Particularly tunica media, middle layer of the heart in calios is made by the cardiac muscles. So these are some multiple choice questions related to the reptilia. Once again, thank you all of you for watching this video.